Hi guys, this is Gamers FREEK. Okay guys, welcome back to Gamers FREEK, and please like and support our channel by clicking at the like, share and subscribe to the channel of Gamers FREEK. Okay guys, this time we are going to share you another collection of the Majorette Tune Up Series 3. This is the fourth video for the Majorette, and we got another super rare collections, from the series. Okay, we already got the first one is the Mercedes-Benz. This is the Mercedes-Benz. Am I correct? Mercedes-Benz. Yes, this is the Mercedes-Benz of the collections. It's a super rare. Okay, and we have as well the Dodge Charger. This is the Dodge Charger. You can actually see the full video from our previous collections, and the latest collection that we got recently is as well the super rare, which is the Nissan GTR, and we are going to share more about Nissan GTR in this video. Okay guys, this is the Nissan GTR for the collections. This is the super rare. Okay, the super rare from the collection. So we can see that the body of the car is green. It's a metallic green. It's a shining green, and there's as well a word stated GTR here. Yes, this is what we're going to see. It's a very cool and awesome car. Yes guys, it comes with the GTR car with the body kit. It's a transparent blue. This is the body kit, and as well another rubber tire to give it as more extendable. Yes, and it looks awesome and definitely cool here guys. The basic GTR include the body kits, and it makes it more awesome and tremendously nice guys. There are arts beside of the car, as you can see right here at the video. And from the front, and from the top of the collection, okay, the Nissan GTR. Yes, this is from the top, and you can see that the green is definitely metallic in color, and this is at the back side. And this on the another side with the word GTR here guys, with some sort of a logo right here. Not sure, looks like a wolf maybe, and it looks cool guys. This is from the latest Majorette Tune Up Series 3 guys. So how you see, is it look definitely cool? Yes, this is definitely cool, and I've been looking for the Nissan GTR for quite a while for this series, and only got the first two super rare collections, and this is the latest collections we are considered as my favorite. And we have already all three collections for the super rare. As you can see here, all the three collections for the super rare is within our collections right now. Okay, there's Nissan GTR, the latest one, Mercedes-Benz, and also the Dodge Charger. Okay guys, do you want to see more of the collections? Okay, I get it more nearer to the video right here right now, so you can see more of the car. Okay, the exclusivity of the car, that you can actually open the door. Let me show you that. Yes, the door can be opened. See, then in this side as well, you can open the door. Yes guys, this is the specialty of the Majorette Premium Collection. where some sort of the cars can be open or detached or attached. That's the difference between the majority car with some other models. Yes, for the GTR, the doors can be open, so it looks like this. You can see inside the seatings, the rider seatings. Okay, this is the steering inside. Let's see inside of the car. It looks tremendously cool, and you can see that behind the door there's some sort of a design as well. Yeah, it's a quite detailed design. So this is inside. You can see the gear knob, the steering. Okay guys, looks tremendously cool. Then this is the Nissan GTR. And the sport rings, there's a green color as well for the sport ring. And this is at the below of the collection. It's a rubber tire. Okay guys, that's the collections of the Majorette Tune Up Series, and please keep on supporting us by liking, share and subscribe to our channel for some other cool collections, and hopefully we get the ultra rare collections very soon this year, and we are going to definitely share with you guys. Okay guys, till next time, till we meet again, this is